about to go get my hair done. It's really needing a, like, look at my hair, I'll show you in just a sec. About to get my hair done. Woo! That was an accident, but don't purpose. Like, look at my freaking moves. And I gotta get my brows fixed, like the color. And my hair is like this right now. It's greasy because I literally put aloe on my scalp because it got really dry. And then olive oil on my hair yesterday, extra virgin olive oil. I wanted to put my scalp, but it goes in my hair. You know that oil is just very greasy. I'm gonna explain that to the girl. She's gonna want to know what's with my hair, and I'm telling the truth. I really don't know. I mean, I have psoriasis, but I also now know I have lupus. So, I mean, it is what it is. And I was in the sun when I shouldn't have been. So, I mean, that could be it too. But yeah, that's my hair. I'm about to get it all fixed up. This look says fashion. Just got my hair done and it's a process. We went and did a full because it's been a while since I did my hair and it needed it. So we did. So now I'm on the way home and I literally live down the street. I didn't realize my dress is on inside out by accident. I'm not kidding. I didn't realize I was looking at myself in the mirror at the salon and I'm like, is it out? No, it's not out. My whole dress is inside out. I would like to go home, please. I would like to get home. One of the worst places to exit. But right when I thought I could